So my top tip for daffodils would be, after they've flowered, make sure you leave the foliage for at least 6 or 8 weeks to die down before you chop it back. That way the goodness from the foliage goes back into the bulb to regenerate it ready for flowering the next year. Second tip would be choose your varieties. So look at the flowering times. You can get them to flower from mid-December with such as spring dawn, right through till the middle of May with pheasant's eye. And third top tip would be to plant in good clumps of at least 5 bulbs, 7 or 9 is even better, to get a good show, or plant them in your grass in drifts where they can naturalise and grow up through the grass.